this particular video is all about you getting your 4,000 watch hour on time within less than a month. We are into it together. Don't forget, me too, I'm just starting my YouTube channel, so let's do this together. Number one step that you should know if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour is pay attention to the video you are dishing out. The videos you are posting on your channels, will your subscriber like it? Is it what they are searching for? Does it make sense if you put such videos out? So if you know all this principle, you'll be able to know the kind of videos you will be putting on your channel. So like now, if you are into vlogging, you know the kind of video you'll be putting on your channel, right? And if you are into this kind of you know the kind of videos that people are searching for or give you view. So you need to calculate, you need to know the right video to be uploading on your channel. So that's the reason why I said number one thing you must do before you be able to get your 4,000 watch hour is know the kind of content, know the kind of videos your audience wants, and give them what they want. If you don't give them what they want, you'll be having a very, very low average view, and people will eventually not subscribe to your channel, and even if they subscribe, they will not be watching your videos again. You are not giving them what they want. What they are searching for, they are not seeing it on your channel. So know the kind of videos, know your niche, and know the kind of videos people are looking for in your niche. Dish out, give out such videos to people, to your subscribers. Even though you are starting like me, like I'm new in this thing, know your target audience and give them what they want. So if you know all these things, you'll be able to get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers on time. As I was saying, number 3 things you must know is your title. You need to know how to create your title. If your title is not well enough, is not well crafted or enough, SEO, you are failing. You know, people that want to search your video, even if your video is very, very important to them, they won't be able to see your video when they search it. So as I said, SEO is very, very important. You need to add keywords to your title. Know how to craft it. So make sure you add keywords to your title. Check your niche. What people in your niche, check what they are doing, how they are putting their own title also. I'm not saying you should copy them, and if you want to copy them, I think it's allowed. So you can actually copy, but you know, your video must be different from them. Number 4 thing I will talk about is your playlist. You know how to put playlist. If you don't know how to put your playlist, I'm here to guide you into that. So let's go. Right now I'm in my youtubestudio.com. Go to your youtubestudio.com and go to your video that you want to add playlist to. When you have created your own playlist, you can actually add it again to your description. So this is my youtubestudio.com. Let me go to my description now. This is, as you are seeing it, this is my description, right? This is my description. So first of all, let's get the link to our playlist. We will need to go to our YouTube. So let's go to our YouTube now. When you are in view channel, go to your playlist. You see playlist there. So this is my YouTube shorts playlist. This first one. This second one is my YouTube channel, because I've not really uploaded much. So this one is still the playlist I have for now. No matter how many videos you have uploaded, you can create playlist. Playlist will also help you in getting your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers also. It's part of the benefits. In fact, it's the number 1 benefit that I know. So add it to it. Click here, click these 3 dots, then click on share, copy. Do you get that? Then now go back to your YouTube studio. So you now go back to your YouTube studio. That one that you copied, just put it here like this. You can add it to anywhere you want to add it to. Just add it like this, like this. Are you seeing it now? This is the playlist now. I've added the playlist. So Again, if you want to even add video to your description, it will also help you boost more of your videos to people. As they are watching your video, they will be able to see more. It will be like a more recommendation for that person that's watched your video. YouTube will be able to recommend your video to that person. So if there is any particular video again that you want to add, go to your YouTube app. Also, you can add it to it. Go to your video, then any videos that you want to add, please add it to it. Let me just take this one that is doing well for now, share, then copy, then go to this place again, just add that what you share now, add it to it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing you have added the video now? This is the second video. Then also you can add the topic to it, the title of that video. This is the one we copied, right? You can add that title to it anyway. After you saved it now, just saved it, then you can add save. So it has been saved. Then go to your YouTube Studio app. Remember, it is this one that we share, so make sure you still remember what you share, that particular video that you copied. You now go to your YouTube Studio app, then click on that particular arrow and copy your title. Copy the title, go back, add it to this particular one we want to add it to. You see it here now. Are you seeing it? Just add it on top here. This is the title, so this is it. Just put this is it now. It's reflecting now. And that's how to add playlists to your description. Also, all these things will help you to get your 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers on time. Number 4 thing I will talk about is understanding what your audience wants. How will you do this? How will you know, oh, this particular thing I want, this particular title I want to talk about, my audience really wants it? Please go to this section in your YouTube Studio. Go to this particular section. You see analytics. Click on it to give you this. Then go to your audience. Click on that audience. I just created this account, as I said. This is really fresh account. I'm just posting on this particular channel. Is new, totally new. So I don't really have much subscribers yet, and I don't really have much what's it called? I don't really have much audience for now yet. I'm just starting. So when you've reached 200 or even 100 subscribers, you'll be able to do this more. Go to your audience. Go to your trend. Click on trend. When you click on trend, you will see, you see top searches. Click on that particular thing you want to search. When you click on it, this particular title I want to talk about, I want to type here, is not what my target audience will be searching for. So let me just type it. How to cook beans. So are you seeing it? Not enough info about your audience. It's saying this because I've not really have much subscribers yet. I don't have much subscribers, but to you that have subscribers, if you have like 100 subscribers, even if it's 50 subscribers, algorithm will be able to know your audience well. It will know what kind of things they are looking for. So if you search it, click on any particular video ideas that you want to talk about, click it. You will see something like this. I will show it on the screen. You see something like this. if it's showing something like this, that means your audience will be interested in that particular video you want to talk about. If it's not showing it, if it's showing this one that you are seeing now, it means that if you talk about this video, if you make video concerning this title, your audience will not watch it. You will not have view. It means that your viewers are not interested in this particular video you want to talk about. And if you still want to talk about it, you can actually talk about it. You can go to this place, just click here, like you have done the video, you have done everything, you have uploaded it. If you now want it to go live, this thing here, are you seeing it? Publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Please don't tick it. If you know you want to do such a thing, don't tick it, because if you tick this thing, algorithm will push this your video that is not your audience interest. Anytime you tick this particular thing, if you tick it, like mark it that YouTube should publish it to your subscribers, if your subscribers will not watch this video that you push out to them, algorithm will not be able to push your video out further. It will first test your subscribers if it's something they have interest to, if they click it, if it's worthy of if it's really worthy of algorithm to push it out. But if your subscribers are doing well to it, if they're not even clicking it, even if they click it, they are backing off on time, the audience retention is very, very poor, it will give sign to algorithm that something is wrong with that video. It will not push it out again. So if you know that you want to do such of this publish to subscribers, I hope you have learned one or two things in this video. So I will see you in my next video. And again, please don't forget to subscribe and click on notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be able to see notification. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to leave a comment also. Thank you.